Alright, I'm really sorry that I haven't made a video in like a week. The lack of videos is because of school. I get so much homework now. I'll have a video coming out later today or tomorrow on Piggy Chapter 12. But as you can see in this corner over here, hold on, give me a second. Well, when you look at that, I got 4,000 Bobucks. Yeah. So yeah, there's the 4,000 Bobucks. And there's the game we're going to be playing in today's video. You get the point. We're going to be buying the battle pass. Alright, so we're just joining the game right now. And by the way, I have actually already bought the battle pass and tested out one of the kits. I know. I betrayed you guys. But don't worry. We're gonna be like doing this stuff. I'm also selling my limited for like it's giving me like 400 Robux for it because Roblox has to take like 30% of it, obviously, for some apparent reason. And this guy is like botting the limited item. So first of all, I don't want to keep it. Second of all, I want Robux. I'm not sure if I should buy Catching Snowflakes anymore. I probably won't because I learned how small that face is, and it just. I don't know. I mean, it looks pretty cool. If it was more affordable, then sure. But as you can see, I have a kit on that, well, already the Halloween lobby, it looks really cool. But, by the way, I'm just saying, I'm going to try my best not to buy tiers, in this. I do want to unlock all of the kits. But this battle pass is so cool because, well, first of all, they don't have any kill effects, but that's the sad part. The good part is, the first kit's at level 3, but you do have to kind of pay for it. But it's worth it. You'd have to pay like 900 Robux to get up to this point. You just have to pay that much for the battle pass and then play one round and get 3 beds. So like it's basically just like buying 3 tiers, buying the battle pass. Oh my gosh, I could have gotten this item literally. It was so easy. Well, I did get a Robux gift card and I did get an item for it. And whenever I get a Robux gift card item, it never shows up on my avatar. Literally. I got dumb bat glasses for like Halloween or some. My Robux still there. I got what is it? Where is it? It was in like face accessories. Yeah, these thingies. Oh yeah, by the way, here's my limited. The thing I'm hovering over the KSI mask. That limit, or not limit, I don't think you can get this anymore. You can get it from like a Robux gift card, and it doesn't show up in games. You know, I'm extremely annoyed. But it does show up in games. Demogorgon costume mask. Wait, okay, that actually does not look good, but like that's why we're gonna use it. Alright. If you guys want the battle pass, subscribe. What? I never said I was going to give it to you. I just said if you want it, subscribe. Okay, no, you don't know what I'm saying anymore. Anyways, we're testing out the new kits. Let's go into like a duels match. They put duels back in the game. Thank Dodo. And while we're teleporting into the match, I guess we can we can spend some time here. Hold on, give me a second. I totally didn't just do this last minute. But, yeah, we can spend some time here advertising my, like, brand new, like, epic Halloween merch that's going to be limited time. Fine. I'm trying to advertise here, okay? This is how I make money, okay? This is how I get these Bobucks. And then I give it to you guys. Like a 1% chance of me doing that because I like to keep my Bobucks to myself. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we got Mr. Henry in the game. The guy I call him Henry because he's wearing the Henry hat. Henry Stickmin, a popular game. Yeah, that was popular in like 2020. Honestly, 2020 is for losers. If you were in 2020, then I was in 2020. And I already know I'm. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. But what I do know is that like button down below. Let's try to hit like 17 likes on this video. 17 million likes, actually. Yeah. 17 million likes is like the minimum. Like, it's not that much. Come on, YouTubers, get it. 17 million likes. Fine. Gosh, I took fall damage from that. Oh, gosh, I haven't played this game in so long. Hey, bro. think he can kill me? Yeah, he actually did. I suck at this game on computer. And I play it so much. Well, except I am kind of rusty. I haven't played this game all week. Oh yeah, now there's like potions and stuff, so like that's pretty cool. I tried one of those like shield potions. They're actually worth it. Like they're like, no, my gen. Nerd. Imagine being a nerd. Like I cannot imagine being a nerd. Like lol. Team generator 1. Dude, we have to show off the potions. What are you talking about? Dude, I need to collect all these diamonds. Oh, give me that. I need to get 4 diamonds. Oh gosh, the man got cute. Dang it. I forgot how to drop things. Oh, see, the wizard hat came. It was right there. But no, Bedwars has to disable hats like that. This game kind of sucks with hats and stuff. Like, it barely lets me, like, use the accessories I want. Oh my gosh. They changed how the shop looks. I mean, like, armory, please, they didn't have to do that, but the potions, sure, I like that. And, like, diamond generator speed, I like that too. I totally didn't think he was my enemy. Get defense! Oh, yeah, you probably should, because I'm coming in with my hot potato sword. I almost died. I say, I make some weird sounds when I'm gaming. Hey, what's up? Yeah, all the girls love me because I like demo. How did he do that? Like, you got me flying up in here like a dodo bird. Also, I've never seen a dodo bird in duels. Like, do they just not put dodo birds in duels? Like bruh, it's a bird, okay? Like, they can't just, like, put bird in, like, 2-person game. Like, bro, that's, like, bird abuse, my guy. Let's grab these traps. Let's see what they do. 3, put this piggy trap. Dong. Ooh, what's the meat inside of the trap? What is it? It's candy, of course. Halloween, right? Yeah. I need to put a trap somewhere else. I'm gonna like put it I'm gonna put it like on the generator. I'm gonna put the trap on the generator, so if someone tries to like grab our generator, like they can't. No, I can't put the trap on the generator. Trap! They place trap. I placed trap. Yeah, I placed a trap. Let's go. You're not gonna grab our bed. Yeah. Hacker! No, you're just bad at the game. Oh wait, no, I thought that was someone else. I thought he like, how, lol, maybe you're just bad. Auto swearing. Yeah, people do auto swear a lot. Good point. Let me grab these diamonds over here. Ooh, wait. This might be a problem. Let me put a, let me place a trap right there. Yeah, let's get some of that going on. Diamonds! Broomstand. Oh my gosh. My potions. I want to turn invisible so badly. Oh my gosh. Yeah! Play that like Jimmy Fallon music. Hey, apple juice. Oh god. What in the nutcrackers? The brewing stand. Yes. Oh, I thought it was 6. That was, oh my gosh, bad. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, son of a flamingo's beak. Stop. Are you kidding? My teammate left. Some people can really be cowards. Oh, God. Dude, he's hacking! Server full of hackers over here. Oh my gosh, they're one of these people. Run! Are you kidding me? I have Roblox. No, sorry. My dad works at Roblox and he can kill you. I'm literally doing 0 damage to this guy. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Oh my gosh, stop! This is the most annoying game ever. I need to hold my stuffed flamingo or whatever. I wish I could turn on face cam right now. But like I can't because like I didn't enable it. I probably should though. Oh my gosh! Actually, yeah, kill me. Yeah, nerds. Oh yeah, sure, flex the emeralds. I don't care. Back to lobby. Bring me back. Bring me back. Bring me back. I need to see how much level I got. I probably got up to 20 kills by now, right? Ugh. I already broke 3 beds. Oh gosh, I did that like 2 hours ago. Jimmy Fallon. Missions. 15. Okay. Let's look at the battle pass. Oh gosh. What do I get for 9? I'm only. Oh gosh, I thought that was Squid Game for a second. I literally thought this was Squid Game. I was like, there's no way they added a Squid Game spray in the game. That would be the dumbest thing. What the, like what the duck hybridated with a flamingo is that? Purchase 1 levels? Dude, your freaking grammar is so insane. Knifed up Raven. What the heck? Trapper. Okay, this kid is weird. It's not even Halloween themed, I don't think. Team player. Well, I play solo. Okay, I'm not team, bro. Boo. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh yeah. I gotta press this button right here that totally doesn't end the video. Okay, like, listen. Buy Killer Shark merch. If you don't, I will come to your house with a knife and I will stab you in the head until you say flamingo 3 times fast. And then when you do, I'll stab you harder until you die. And then I'll be like, creamy. Okay, bye. Please don't ask what that was. Okay, like, listen, I'm starting to turn into my friend who's like kind of like sus, like sus, like, yeah, that sus. Anyways, the Bedwars update was like really cool and like Halloween-y. Cue the dramatic music, my guy. So yeah, stay flamingo-y, stay killer, and stay terrific. Remember that. You have to stay terrific as well. And this kit sucks. So I'm going to be a different one. And yeah, Reaper, I think, is just the best kit for me right now. See ya, bye, nerds.